Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can get CapCut templates from TikTok. So here I've already on my TikTok apps, and if you maybe scroll down or browse through your FYP on a Netflix on TikTok, you can always find like this a CapCut template that you can use by clicking on this button. But if you want to like search for a specific templates, you can just always use the search option. So for example, I want to find an aesthetic template, so you can just use this keyword like this, and then here you can just explore and find the template that you want to use. And after that, you can just click on this try this template button, click on the use template in CapCut, and you'll be directed to the CapCut apps on your phone. Then just click on the use template to be able to use the templates for your clips. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. Thank you.